When you're out on a ride and a flat tire strikes, having the right tools for a quick fix is essential. Tie levers are small but mighty tools that help you remove the tire from the rim with minimal effort, making tire repairs smoother and quicker. In this video, we'll explore 7 top-rated tie levers that are easy to use, durable, and designed to make those road or trail repairs a breeze. Number 1. Gorilla Force Ultra Strong Tie Levers. The Gorilla Force Ultra Strong Tie Levers are designed for durability and strength, perfect for tough tire beads. Made from high-quality reinforced nylon, these levers offer the strength needed for stubborn tires without risking damage to the rims. The design is slightly curved and wider than most levers, making it easier to grip and maneuver, especially if you're dealing with tight or stubborn tire fits. These levers are built with an ultra-strong construction, which means they won't bend or snap under pressure, even on tight-fitting tires. This makes them an ideal choice for both mountain bike and road bike tires. The levers feature a convenient dual-hook design, allowing you to get under the tire bead easily and hold the lever in place while you work around the rim. Gorilla Force also ensures these levers are compact and lightweight, so they're easy to store in your saddlebag or pocket. With their sturdy build and efficient design, these levers are an excellent choice for riders who need reliable tools for quick roadside fixes. Number 2. The NextGen Tie Lever. The NextGen Tie Lever stands out with its modern, ergonomic design that enhances comfort and ease of use. Made from high-quality materials, this lever is both lightweight and extremely durable, able to handle the demands of frequent tire changes. Its sleek design fits comfortably in the hand, reducing strain during prolonged use, which is especially helpful when dealing with particularly tight tires. This lever features a unique grip pattern that prevents slippage, giving riders more control even in wet or muddy conditions. The NextGen lever also incorporates a built-in notch, which helps hold the lever in place once it's under the tire bead, making the job faster and easier. Designed for portability, this tie lever is compact enough to fit into a small repair kit or even your pocket, and its lightweight build won't weigh you down on the ride. With its thoughtful design and robust construction, the NextGen Tie Lever is an essential tool for cyclists who prioritize ease of use and durability. Number 3. Bike Chain and Tire Repair Toolkit. The Bike Chain and Tire Repair Toolkit offers a comprehensive solution for both tire and chain repairs, making it a versatile option for cyclists. This kit includes sturdy tire levers made from reinforced plastic, which provides durability and reduces the risk of scratching your rims. The levers are slightly curved and have a comfortable grip, making it easy to slip under the tire bead and work around the rim. In addition to the tire levers, this kit includes a chain tool, which is highly useful for those unexpected chain issues. The tire levers are built to handle high-pressure situations, ensuring they won't snap or bend under strain. This added versatility makes the kit an excellent choice for cyclists who want an all-in-one solution for both tire and chain repairs. Compact and portable, the Bike Chain and Tire Repair Toolkit easily fits into a saddlebag or backpack, making it ideal for longer rides where comprehensive tools are essential. With its well-built levers and added chain repair functionality, this kit is a reliable companion for cyclists who want to be prepared for any roadside repair situation. Number 4. Granite Talon Tie Levers. The Granite Talon tie levers bring a unique dual-function design to the table, combining tie levers with pliers for handling tricky tasks. The levers are crafted from a durable, high-strength material that ensures they won't crack or break under pressure. These levers are designed with a wider edge, which makes it easier to get a secure hold under the tire bead, helping to remove the tire with minimal effort. One of the standout features of the Granite Talon levers is their dual-purpose functionality. They snap together to form pliers, which can be useful for tasks like removing or adjusting tire valve cores. This added feature can be particularly helpful for tubeless setups, if you need to make quick adjustments on the go. Lightweight and compact, these levers are easy to store in a small toolkit or pocket. Their durable construction and innovative design make them a great choice for riders who value multifunctional tools that add convenience to their rides. Number 5. Park Tool Tire Lever Set. The Park Tool Tire Lever Set is a classic among cyclists. Known for its reliability and durability, These levers are made from strong, high-quality plastic, which offers enough flexibility to avoid damaging rims while being sturdy enough to handle tight tire beads. The set includes 2 levers, which can be used together to make tire removal a smooth and efficient process. The design of the park tool levers includes a hooked end, which allows you to lock one lever in place while using the second lever to work around the rim. This feature is especially helpful for stubborn tires that require extra leverage. Additionally, the levers are slightly curved to fit comfortably in the hand, providing a secure grip during use. Compact and lightweight, this set can easily be stored in a saddlebag or attached to your bike frame. Known for their dependability, park tool levers are an ideal choice for cyclists who want a simple, effective tool that they can rely on for years of service. Number 6. Ultra-strong stainless steel tire spoons. The ultra-strong stainless steel tire spoons are designed for durability and heavy-duty use. Made from stainless steel, these levers are exceptionally strong, capable of handling the toughest tire beads without bending or breaking. They are an excellent choice for cyclists who frequently ride on rough terrain or need extra leverage for tight tire fits. The design of these levers includes a wide, flat edge, making it easy to get under the tire bead and remove it without damaging the rim. The steel construction also provides a solid, reassuring grip, even when dealing with high-pressure tires. These levers are slightly heavier than plastic options, but the added durability is well worth it for those who need extra strength. Despite their robust construction, the ultra-strong stainless steel tire spoons are compact enough to fit into a toolkit or backpack, making them convenient for on-the-go repairs. With their rugged design and durability, these tire levers are ideal for cyclists who prioritize strength and reliability in their tools. Number 7. 3-Pierce Ultra-Strong Tire Lever Set. The 3-Pierce Ultra-Strong Tire Lever Set provides a practical and reliable solution for cyclists who want high-strength tools in a compact form. Made from a reinforced plastic material, these levers are built to withstand pressure without bending or snapping. The set includes the 3 levers, allowing you to work around the tire more efficiently and handle stubborn tire beads with ease. Each lever in the set features a wide edge, designed to slide smoothly under the tire bead without damaging the rim. The slightly textured grip on the handles ensures a secure hold, even if your hands are wet or covered in mud. This added control makes the 3-Pierce set a valuable tool for both beginner and experienced cyclists alike. With their lightweight and compact design, these levers are easy to store in any bike kit or even a pocket, making them highly portable. For cyclists who want durable, reliable tire levers that offer flexibility and control, the 3-Pierce Ultra-Strong Tire Levers set is an excellent choice. A reliable set of tire levers can make all the difference when you're out on a ride and need a quick fix. Whether you're looking for durability, portability, or versatility, there's a perfect option on this list. Thanks for watching, and here's to smoother, faster tire repairs on all your future rides.